All right, so we have ridiculously basic email merge. And so you're going to want to install it. And then once you do, you're just going to go to any spreadsheet. And what's nice, I'm doing a sheets.new, but it doesn't have to be sheets.new. It could literally be any spreadsheet. And so you could just add a tab and start making some columns. So like name, you will need some email column. It doesn't matter what column it is, but you do want to label it. So I'm just going to do name, email, note. I like to freeze the first row, but that is not required. And email. Make sure you have invalid email. All right, leave a little note, go up to the extensions, go to ridiculously basic email merge and compose the email. Now what this is going to do, it's going to automatically pull your email, or it's going to be your header columns, right? So you had name, email, and note. There they are right there, but they are as merge tags. So you're just going to highlight this and I'm going to say name. Here is your note. Hello, name, comma, I have something to say to you. Highlight this one, note, paste. Now it's going to automatically detect the email column. So long as you call it email, it's actually going to stick it in there. If you did not call the column email, you'll just need to pick it from the drop-down list, which column has email address, and you're going to save the email note. Save that. Okay, successful, awesome. And then when you come back to ridiculously basic email merge, you can view your save note. This is what it's going to look like. Here's a little sample of the merge. Ridiculously basic email merge. You can edit it if you want to, make some changes. You'll notice this is saved. So even if I close out of this, and I'll test that in a second, it should still be there when I come back. And then I just send the emails. It's that simple. All you do is you just make any sheet, put some columns in there, send, done. Sent. That's it. And they were sent. But right now it's 5:30 in the morning. So just make some columns and put information in it and then do the ridiculously basic email merge.